everyone, I'm Surbhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do a video wherein I show you guys how I shave my face. So the process is not only beneficial for all skin types, but it's most beneficial and suitable for people with acne prone and sensitive skin. So face shaving is not at all a new concept to us. In fact, long before we were even born, iconic Hollywood beauty Marilyn Monroe used to shave her face all the time, but it wasn't adapted by the majority because of a lot of apprehensions and myths around it. But today I'm gonna tell you all the benefits of face shaving. So let's get started. So this is a face or eyebrow razor that I'm using today, and it comes in a pack of 3 like this and can be bought from Amazon. I have also put a link in the description box if you guys want to buy it. So that's how the razor looks like, and it comes with a safety cap. And the best thing about this razor is that not only it can be used by experts but also by beginners, because it has this teeth-like texture on it which gives you a lot of control and help you prevent any kinds of cuts, nicks or razor burns. So step 1 is to cleanse your face with water, and it is important because it softens your hair, and also the cleanser makes sure that there is no bacteria on your face and hence preventing any kind of bacterial infection. So step 2 is to use a lubricant or a shaving gel. In my case, I'm using this Gentle Cleanser by Cetaphil. It is formulated in such a way that it makes your razor glide so effortlessly and so smoothly, and preventing any kinds of cuts and nicks and razor burns on your face. And I'm taking a little bit of cleanser on my hands and I'm gonna apply it all over my face, and that's how it actually looks like. It's so lathery and it glides so smoothly. As you can see, the texture is so favorable for shaving your face. So I'm starting very gently in short strokes and very lightly from my sideburns. I'm gonna stretch my skin like this, take all the baby hair away, and whatever is rest I'm gonna just shave it off using my face razor. And I don't have a lot of hair at the moment because few days back only I shaved my face, and as you guys can see, a lot of hair and gunk is there. So shaving your face actually has a lot of benefits. It removes all the dead skin from your face and reveals a brighter complexion. It is also pain-free and cost-effective as compared to threading or waxing. And it's good for people who have texture and acne scars on their face. It is anti-aging, and most importantly, it makes your makeup look so smooth. I've been using Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser as my shaving gel for quite some time now, and I learned this trick from a dermatologist. In fact, my dermatologist shaved my face for the first time using the same cleanser, and since then there is no looking back. I love the way my face feels at the moment. It definitely feels quite smooth and looks quite brighter and radiant. And my hairline definitely looks so neat. So for aftercare, I'm simply using rose water as it soothes the irritated skin and also reduces any kind of redness. And here I am simply using a facial oil to add moisture and soothe my sensitive skin. That's it, you guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know the drill. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram account. It's Surbhi Verma 1111, and do not forget to hit on that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you guys get notified about it. And now I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, try this trick, totally optional, and let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.